Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, what's up? My name is Marisa. If you are part of the fam, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a review on this hair. So if you guys want to see, make sure you guys stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why. Because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here is the packaging. Just showing you Miss Laurence. And girl, look at this color. Get into this color. So I'm just showing you guys the construction of the cap, 4 combs and an elastic band that I never use. So as you guys can see at the top, it has the top and going over to the left side. It is pre-plucked. On the right side, it is not. And I wish they would have pre-plucked that. So I'm going to go in with my cream foundation. I don't know where my tint spray was, but we're going to make it work like always. And I'm just going to apply that heavily on there. So girl, look at these candy curls. Little Shirley Temple curls. So I'm just showing you what the wig looks like on my head. And I'm going to go ahead. Now, it does have the baby hairs on it. If you all are new to my channel, I don't normally do the baby hairs. I will just kind of comb them right on out the way like you see me doing here. And I'm going to go in with some hairspray just to go ahead and lay it down for an easy application. I'm going to put my So Melted band on. So I like the curls in the bang area. And now I'm just going to cut the lace so you guys can see. Now, this bang area is so pretty. I had to comb out the curls. I don't know what's going on with this side. It's like the inward curls. Yeah. But we're going to slay it. Stay tuned for the review. Okay, guys. So I am back today to review this gorgeous colored unit. This is the Outre Melted Hairline, and this is in Laurence, 14 inches, and I have the same color as the stock card, which is the DR4 Frosted Honey Brown. I think this is a recent drop of Outre's Melted Hairline. Y'all know I love me some Outre Melted Hairline. And what sold me on this unit was actually the color. I mean, sis is rocking this color. So I was like, you know what? I've normally stuck to just black on my units, but I love the dimension in this. And when I got it myself, I was like, okay, I could rock this. Now, this hair is about 14 inches. Let me show you guys the back. I did kind of comb this out a little bit because as you guys saw in the video, it was like a hard candy curl. And I mean, it's still a little bit of it here. So, I mean, it's cute on this side. But I'm trying to get what's going on this side. Like, I get this side, but this side is like they're coming inward. I usually like them outward. I don't know. So this unit, honestly, I thought after I started playing with it, I was like, this could be an Arlissa 2.0. If you guys have not seen my review on Arlissa, I will leave a card up here. Y'all know Arlissa is bae to me because it's an everyday unit. It literally is like roller wrap. This one is a little different. It's not really Arlissa 2.0, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. Now, other than this side, another drawback that I had was the actual hairline. Now, this is not like the other hairlines. Most of them are coming like pre-plucked. I did not really pluck it or anything like that. I just kind of took it out the box, as you guys saw, put my foundation on there, and then just installed it. Okay, so also, like I was just stating about the hairline, I wish it would have came a little bit more pre-plucked. You can pluck this on your own if you like to do that. I honestly feel like with synthetic units, it should be like what I did, just take it out the box and throw it on, which this is. What really I love about this unit the most is the color. Like, this color is giving. Like, I know y'all see that dimension, especially in this little bang area right here. It is giving. Like, it is so giving. You literally can rock this unit without putting any color or anything like that to your hair. I will say they did this with this color. When I saw this color, I was like, I hope it's not like the chunky highlights, in which it is, but I'm gonna tell you how y'all finesse that. Literally take your fingers and just run it through there, and then just kind of be a little bit messy with it. Then the dimension will kind of just kind of play into itself. So see right here, it doesn't look like the little zebra stripes. That's what I call when I see highlights that are like this, zebra stripes. But once you kind of like play around with it, girl, baby, this unit will be very cute to wear in the springtime, even in the summertime, especially if you're wanting, you know, a little cute little cut, cute little bob, Yana, whatever, just to have some color with it. I say try this out. I'm gonna work on this side right here. I'm kind of nervous about cutting this unit because, like I've stated in other videos before of my synthetic units, sometimes when you cut it, that's it. I may take a razor just to see, and then just kind of go in with my curling iron to see if I can bump it back the other way so it can give like a little swoop or something going on over here. I mean, if not, it's all good. This side right here will just do just fine. I cannot wait to rock this unit for springtime, for summertime. I mean, literally you can rock this year round. Literally you can rock this year round. I mean, it's just, the color is just so pretty to me. Now, I ordered this unit from SoGoodBB. As soon as I got the notification that this was a new unit, I was like, gotta have it. It ended up being around about $52. And of course, you know, SoGoodBB, they have shipping. I literally got it in less than a week. So that's always good. I have nothing bad to say with SoGoodBB. I've ordered from them plenty of times. So yeah. Okay, girls. So I am going to give this unit, I'm going to give it a strong 8. And the reason why I say an 8 and not a 10, this isn't our list of, but the color is what has really done it for me. What I really want them to do is just kind of work on this side of it. But this side, baby, yes ma'am, I absolutely love this unit. Show you guys right now. Fingers running right through it, so no tangling with that. Not really any shedding either, so that's another good thing too. Yeah, I give this an 8. I give this an 8. Like I stated, if you guys want a unit that is a bob, or you know, just something cute, sexy, and sassy with some bomb color, I say go for this unit. Now, they do have other colors that you can choose from. This is the one that I have, which is, again, the same one that's on the stock card. So you have other ones you can choose from. But if I was to get this unit, this would be the color I'd get. I would definitely get this because it's just cute in this color, and I love how the curls and everything just gives that color more definition. So yeah, and that is it, my sisters, my cousins, all y'all. That is it for this review. I will leave all the information about this unit down below. If you guys have any questions, definitely, or anything y'all want to talk to me about, let's check in the comment area. Thank you guys so much as always for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you all. And yeah, until next time. Bye, guys.